Hello, everybody. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are in this beautiful world. Today, we are going to read a book called And the People Stayed Home, written by Kitty O'Meara, illustrated by Stefano Di Cristofaro and Paul Perida. And the people stayed home. And they listened. And read books. And rested. And exercised. And made art. And played games. And learned new ways of being. And were still. And they listened more deeply. Some meditated. Some prayed. And some danced. Some met their shadows. And the people began to think differently. And the people healed. And in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, and heartless ways, the earth began to heal. And when the danger passed, and the people joined together again, they grieved their losses and made new choices. And dreamed new images. And created new ways to live and heal the earth fully as they had been healed. And this page is a note from the author. It's a conversation talking with the author, Kitty O'Meara. And she wrote this book in the early days of the global coronavirus pandemic. So she wrote this when everyone had to stay home for a long time. So she calls this is her poem. Oh, she lives in Wisconsin with her husband, Philip, and their 5 dogs and 3 cats. Life was quieter than usual. That slowing down gave Kitty time to think deeply about people and the planet. One day, she wrote a poem about what might happen during the pandemic and after it. She posted the poem on Facebook, and people all around the world loved it. Her words teach us the importance of spending time with ourselves and the people close to us, listening deeply and doing what we love. She believes that when we are kind to ourselves and others, and when we use the special gifts we have, we can make the world a better place. And then there's a lot of questions. If you want to pause the video, you could look at, you could read it more closely, but there are a lot of questions that she answers, including what led her to write this poem, and about her dogs and cats, and about herself as a writer. So maybe you can pause and take some time to read this if you want to. Or you can always borrow this book from me as well. So, all right. Well, thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed this book. And if you still have to stay home, like I do, right now I still have to stay home, that's okay. I can find things, we can find things to do, and we just hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy and happy. Have a great day or night, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.